Hi all, my topic is about measurement of intelligence, Wechsler intelligence test. According to David Wechsler, intelligence is the global capacity of an individual to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with his environment. According to Piaget, what is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to adapt to one's surroundings. So we can say that intelligence is the ability to think, to learn from experience, to solve problems, and to adapt to new situations. Intelligence can be defined as mental capability that involves the ability to learn, to solve problems, to understand, to think abstractly, to adjust and relate to one's environment, to behave properly and effectively, to perform, and to apply acquired knowledge to new situations. In simple words, we can say intelligence is nothing but thinking skills and the ability to adapt to and to learn from life's everyday experiences. Intelligence can be measured by using intelligence tests. Intelligence tests are psychological tests that are designed to measure a variety of mental functions such as reasoning, comprehension, and judgment. They are standardized tools having acceptable reliability and validity. The intelligence tests are classified in two different ways. The first one is classification based on the method of testing. And the second one is classification based on the medium of testing. In the classification based on the method of testing, there are two types of test. That is individual test and group test. Individual test, only one individual is tested at a time. In group test, a group of individuals is tested at the same time. When coming to the classification based on the medium of testing, there are two types of test, verbal test and also non-verbal test. In verbal test, these tests make use of language. Here, the instructions are given in words, either in written or oral form or both. Individuals are required to use language as well as paper or pencil for giving the responses. The test content is loaded with verbal material. In non-verbal test, these tests involve such activities in which the use of language is not necessary. That is, they make use of some activity or performance. Wechsler's test of intelligence is an IQ test designed to measure intelligence and cognitive ability in adults. Now we are going to discuss Wechsler-Bellevue Intelligence Scale, WBIS. The Wechsler-Bellevue Intelligence Scale was published in 1939 and it was developed and standardized by David Wechsler of Bellevue Psychiatric Hospital. This test, that is WBIS, was first revised in 1955 and three different scales come into existence. Three different scales come into existence. They are first one is the Wechsler Preschool and Primary School Scale of Intelligence, WPPSI. Second one is the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children, WISC. And the third one is the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, WAIS. In the three different scales, we are going to discuss the first scale, the Wechsler Preschool and Primary Scale of Intelligence, WPPSI. It is an intelligence test designed for children ages 2 years 6 months to 7 years 7 months. It is developed by David Wechsler. It is a descendant of the earlier Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale and the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children test. The Wechsler Preschool and Primary Scale of Intelligence has been revised 3 times. That is, in 1989, 2002 and 2012. Now it is in the 4th edition. The current version is its 4th edition and is published by Pearson Education. It is the best, that is the WPPSI, the Wechsler Preschool and Primary Scale of Intelligence is the best preschool IQ test because it is specifically designed to measure the cognitive development of young children. The second scale, that is the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children, WISC. It is an individually administered intelligence test for children between the ages of 6 and 16. Its recent version is the 5th edition. And it takes 45 to 65 minutes to administer. It generates a full-scale IQ that represents a child's general intellectual ability. It also provides 5 primary index scores. That is, Verbal Comprehension Index, Visual Spatial Index, Fluid Reasoning Index, Working Memory Index, and Processing Speed Index. These indices represent a child's abilities in discrete cognitive domains. The third one, that is the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, WAIS, is an IQ test designed to measure intelligence and cognitive ability in adults and older adolescents. The original WAIS was published in February 1955 by David Wechsler as a revision of the Wechsler-Bellevue Intelligence Scale that was released in 1939. The 4th edition was released in 2008 by Pearson and is the most widely used IQ test. It is the most widely used IQ test for both adults and older adolescents in the world. And also the data collection for the next version, that is the 5th edition, began in 2016. And it is designed, this WAIS, it is designed for adult in the age group 16 to 64 years. This test consists of 11 subsets. The subsets are grouped into 2 categories. That is verbal scale and performance scale. The verbal scale measures general knowledge, language, reasoning, memory, word fluency, etc. The test duration is 75 minutes. This verbal scale contains 6 subsets. First one is test of general information. That is, it tests factual knowledge, that is about geography, historical events, nature, etc. And the second one is the test of general comprehension. It is the understanding of social conventions, rules, familiar saying, and so on. The third one is the test of digit span. That is, it tests symbol rote memory for a digit series. The fourth one is the test of arithmetic. What it tests? It tests mathematical reasoning and computation. And the fifth one is the test of distinction between similarities. That is, the detecting relations among objects and concepts. And the last one, that is the sixth one, the test of vocabulary. It tests the ability for detecting words of varying difficulty. Coming to the performance scale, it measures spatial, sequential, and problem-solving skills. It also contains 5 subsets. First one is picture arrangement test. It is putting a set of pictures in order so that they tell a coherent story. Second one is picture completion test. That is finding missing parts of pictures that are otherwise incomplete. The third one is block design test. That is, we are arranging the colored blocks into a design that matches one that is pictured on a card. Coming to the fourth one, it is object assembly test. It is card cutouts are to be assembled to make a familiar object. Fifth one, digital symbol test. It is learning to use a coding system in which nonsense symbols represent numbers. Uses of WAIS. It can be used as an intelligence test and clinical tool. It is used to diagnose ADHD and also learning disabilities. It is used to identify discrepancies between a child's intelligence and his performance. It is used to identify intellectual giftedness, weakness, etc. It is used to predict academic achievement. Thank you all. Have a great day.